Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to give you guys an update on my new vanities that I have. They're not super new. I've actually had them for maybe about 2 years, and the first one that I got was this one from Ikea with the lemon tabletop and Alex drawers that most YouTubers have, and I thought it was bulky, didn't really like it too much, and so that's why I had got this one, which is the Malm dressing table that I got with the matching Malm king size bed frame and the matching Malm dresser that ended up breaking in half when I was trying to move everything here. And I wanted to take a look because on my previous video from a couple years ago, you guys were asking about the questions for the sizing and like how I put everything together and the links to actually buy the exact one from Ikea on the website. And so I wanted to just show you guys like exactly what I got with the right sizing, because I understand that, you know, not every room is big. Everything that I got was the smallest size available. I got the 47-inch tabletop and then like some regular Alex drawers, and then this is just a standard size. And I've been working really hard to try to make a background that looks nice and, you know, not too white and not too overly colorful or anything like that. I love how it turns out because I thought this was going to be super bulky, but I'm using it to the best of my ability. And this mirror I've had since I was about 12 years old, so that's why I still have it. I'm not going to get rid of it probably until it breaks down on me. It is real wood, unlike this plywood, fake looking wood that Ikea sells us. And then also I wanted to show you guys my chair that I got. It is a chair that I got from Ross for, I want to say, about $30 or so, and I don't know how to wash it, so it's pretty dirty. Okay, so this is the Malm table right here, right? And I got a little chip right here, so it's not real wood, it's like plywood, so it does chip easily if you're not careful. But the thing is that when you pull it out, it comes out about this far. It used to come out a little bit further, but this is as far as it comes out now. And I have a little bit of stuff in here. I used to have a whole bunch of stuff, but if you see right here, I got heavy from having too much stuff, and it ended up folding and like bending. And if you take it out and flip it around, I'm sure it will fit again. But you know, things like that shouldn't do that. I mean, this was only like $150 or $200, but still, you know. But then again, I will say I did have quite a bit of stuff on there. Basically, what I'm saying is it's not real wood, so don't get carried away. But it opens and closes and slides real nice, so I like that. And I like the glass top because I can wipe it down with like disinfectant wipes when I am ready to clean it. So I'm happy with that. I'm happy that I have the, you know, the room for like glass and stuff and all of my makeup brushes, and I'm happy that I have like a matching picture on here. This picture was only $19.99 from Bath, I was about to say Bath and Body Works, what is it? Bed Bath and Beyond. Yes, only $19.99. You guys don't have to buy super expensive stuff from like Z Gallery when Bed Bath and Beyond just like has good pictures, like picture quality, like canvases, for a lesser price. So over here is the first vanity that I bought from Ikea originally, but I didn't like it too much. Like, I just felt like it was bulky in comparison to this sleek Malm one over here. But I kept it because I spent like $200 on it, so, and I'm not getting rid of it. I got the Linnmon tabletop, right? And this is the 47-inch size, so it is literally like the perfect size for the drawers. So you see here, it doesn't like have a gap in the back or anything, and then you have, you know, room for the drawers. Putting this together was sort of a pain because I kept putting things backwards, but once I got everything together, you know, it was all set. Like, I was happy. So this lifts up here. It's not glued down or anything. It's just sitting on it. And then I have the chair here. So this chair was about $30, I think, and it is from Ross. And it is kind of dirty because I don't know how to clean it without messing up the fur. But I just got a cheap white chair from Ross, and I'm sure if you go to Ross or, you know, any like Target or anything, you can find like some good decor items for the low. So that's good. And then this mirror here is all black, and the black mirror, well, I was thinking about painting it white, but the reason why I still have this mirror is because I had a black dresser that you may see in some of my old videos that this mirror came with. Real good, sturdy wood, real wood. I like it. It's lasted multiple moves. It's lasted me since the 6th grade. So from being like 11, 12 years old to all the way to 24, the mirror and the dresser were still good. So I wanted to keep the mirror and I put it on here. I think I should paint it white. Let me know what you guys think. I want to put some more stuff on here, but for now, this is what I am working with for my vanity. I really like it. I like it a lot. I think it looks good from different angles, and I just, you know, like what I see. Even though it's not crazy expensive, like, this still does what I needed to do. I can still make my makeup tutorials, and honestly, the lighting is everything. I'm gonna do a separate video on the lighting because the lighting is making me hot. But I'm gonna do a separate video on the lighting because ever since I bought this newer ring light that everyone has been talking about, but I just never got to buy it because I was, you know, saving up for it, it has changed my like video quality so well. I mean, I do have a new camera that I bought, you know, like a year ago, but the lighting changes everything, and that really helps me be able to do makeup tutorials that, you know, actually reflect the makeup that I'm doing, the foundation, the eyeshadow. One of my hardest things with my previous vanity setup with lights and, you know, the background was that the colors and the lighting just washed out my face or washed out the eyeshadow and really wasn't true to color. But I've been working on that, so you guys can see like the true like effort that I'm putting in to try to make like a nice makeup look. I feel a little shiny from the light. Let me back up. Say hi to Janet over there. What's up, Janet? She like, hey girl. No. Okay, but anyway, so that's pretty much it for, you know, my vanity setup. I'm super happy with it. I'm super happy I, you know, saved up and got the stuff. I just, you know, gotta start making a lot more videos with it because my vanity setup, I don't want to like toot my own horn or anything, but I don't know, I'm just really proud of it right now. I just think it looks nice. Hey, that's what I get for trying to be cute. Okay, so that's where I end the video right there. So thank you guys for watching my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. And if you're not subscribed already, please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you guys have any video suggestions on what you guys want to see from me. I've been really working hard to try to make the quality of this channel a lot better so you guys can actually see my makeup and, you know, the lighting and how everything looks. And I'll do a separate video on the lighting because I really want everything to look good for you guys, and I want you guys to enjoy my content. So if you have any suggestions, let me know because I read everything and I want to implement, you know, everything. So it's getting pretty late. I wanted to make this video kind of quick, not long and drawn out. So I hope you guys, you know, got all the information you guys needed, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys check back for another beauty and lifestyle video. Okay, cool. Bye, you guys. I love you. I need to come up with a name for my subscribers like all the other YouTubers do, but that could come later.